Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into one of the most electrifying pieces of camera news set to shake the photography and videography world in 2025, the rumored Nikon Z F2. This isn't just another retro-inspired mirrorless, it could be the camera that merges nostalgic charm with futuristic technology in a way we've never seen before. I've been following industry leaks for years and my track record speaks for itself, but what I'm hearing about the Z F2 is genuinely next level. Why should you care? Because the Z F2 might just perfect the art of retro-modern synergy. Imagine a camera that captures the tactile, analog feel of classic dials while delivering the performance of a modern flagship. Street photographers will love its vintage soul, and content creators will be drawn to its advanced imaging capabilities. Rumor has it, Nikon will launch the elegant silver chrome edition in summer 2025. With a sleek black finish following in autumn 2026, clever timing to maximize appeal. At the heart of this rumored marvel is a new partially stacked full-frame sensor, around 24.5 megapixels with incredible dynamic range and lightning-fast read speeds, paired with Nikon's next-generation XE8 image processor. The Z F2 could handle complex computations and AI-driven features that, until now, sounded like something from a sci-fi wish list. One of the standout whispers? It's an AI-powered autofocus system. We're talking elite-level, human, animal, bird, and vehicle detection with tracking precision that sports shooters dream about, possibly matching or even surpassing the performance of high-end full-frame bodies. And it might go even further. It's offering low-light autofocus sensitivity that lets you lock onto subjects in near darkness. For video creators, the Z F2 could be a game-changer. Rumors point to 6,000 recording at 60 FPS, using the full width of the sensor no crop, alongside 4K at 120 FPS, both in 10-bit H.265, add-on log for flexible color grading. And you've got cinema-level capabilities in a body dripping with vintage appeal. That puts it toe-to-toe with cameras that cost far more. Still, shooters aren't left out. Mechanical shutter capable of 15 FPS means you can catch peak action without rolling shutter artifacts, while an advanced in-body image stabilization system, possibly offering up to 8 stops, could intelligently adjust stabilization based on your focus point. Landscape photographers may also rejoice at a rumored pixel shift mode that creates ultra-detailed 96MP images for massive, gallery-worthy prints. Practical features are said to include dual card slots, a sharp 3.69 meters EVF, and a fully articulating 3-inch LCD with 2.1 m dots for flexible shooting angles. The build: a durable magnesium alloy body weighing about 710 grams, with weather resistance for real-world reliability. Connectivity could be equally modern, with Wi-Fi 6 for rapid wireless transfers, USB 4 for high-speed tethering and charging, and an NEL15C battery optimized for smarter power use. The pricing speculation hovers around $2,000, placing it directly in the competitive space of cameras like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Sony A7 IV, but with that unique retro twist that only Nikon's ZF line can deliver. The staggered release chrome in summer, black in autumn seems strategically planned to dominate multiple buying seasons. If the rumors hold true, the Nikon Z F2 won't just be another camera release. It could redefine what we expect from a retro-modern hybrid, offering a fusion of style, speed, intelligence, and versatility that appeals to professionals, enthusiasts, and style-conscious creators alike. The idea of shooting sharp, well-tracked images in near-dark conditions without bulky lighting gear could open entirely new creative possibilities. So what do you think? Is this the year Nikon steals the spotlight in the retro-inspired mirrorless game? The Z F2 could very well be the model that blends yesterday's aesthetic with tomorrow's innovation in a way that makes the competition scramble to catch up. Stick around Technology in the Future for more updates as we follow this developing story, because if half of these rumors turn out to be true, we're in for something unforgettable.